There are many different ways to say happy birthday. Today, we're going to review 50 ways to say happy birthday in English. Happy, happy. This is very friendly and informal. Best used with close friends and family. Have a wonderful birthday. You can say this to anyone. Happy You Day. Informal. HBD. Very informal and best used in text messages. Best wishes on your special day. All-purpose and friendly. Warmest greetings on your birthday. Formal and polite. Wishing you a fantastic birthday. Informal. All the best on your birthday. Formal. Age is just a number. Informal. When you're older, 1 year wiser. Informal. May all of your wishes come true. Somewhat informal and can be used with almost anyone. A day just for you. Informal. Wishing you many more candles to blow. Can be used with anyone. Have a fabulous birthday. Informal. I wish you the nicest birthday ever. Casual and friendly. Of all the people I know, you are the one whose birthday is today. Informal. It's your birthday, yet you are a gift to the world. Informal. It's your birthday, time to celebrate, can be used with anyone. Love, happiness, and a day full of joy for you. Informal. Happy anniversary. Informal and humorous. Have an ecstatically happy birthday. Informal. May your next year be your best year. Informal. Congratulations on another spin around the sun. Informal. Like sands through the hourglass, so are the days of our lives. Formal. Happy Level Up Day. Informal. You can improve your English. You can speak better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop, you can speak better English quickly. English is a bridge to open up the world to you. Better English is the key career success with better English. With Grandpa Grammar's English Speaking Workshop. Click the link in the description to find out more. Better English now. Great day for a great person, casual and friendly. Blessings of health and happiness, formal. More life, informal. Have a wonderful day, you deserve it. You can say this with anyone. Thinking of you on your birthday. You can say this with loved ones or family. Many more happy returns. Formal. A day just for you. Informal. Have an awesome birthday. Informal. It's your day to shine. Informal. Cheers to another year. Informal. Enjoy your birthday to the fullest. You can say this to anyone. Make a wish. Informal. Here's to you on your birthday. Informal. Warmest greetings. Informal. Joy on this day. Informal. Heartfelt wishes. Formal. Wonderful wishes on your birthday. Formal. Have fun on your special day. Informal. Have an amazing day. Informal. Happy birthday. Let's celebrate. You can say that with anyone. Happy birthday. Time to party. Informal. Cheers to another year. Informal. May you have a wonderful day and many more to come. You can say this with anyone. Have a good one. Informal. Blessings of peace and prosperity for the year ahead. You can say this with anyone.